Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove password from Shopify store. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first we need to open up any browser and search for shopify.com. Now tap on login from the top right and then wait for it to load. Now tap on your Shopify store from here. Now select online store and you will see different options. And from here, tap on preferences. Now scroll down and you will get to see password protection. As you can see here, the access is restricted for the visitors with a password. You just need to unselect this option. And to do that, Shopify subscription is required. And after unselecting this, you need to tap on Save to save your changes. By doing this, your Shopify store password will be removed.